Okay, with the basics to review from grade 8. So first we're going to do place value. So we're going to start at the decimal. So right here, right beside the decimal is your ones, or sometimes we refer to it as the whole, if you were to go to a whole number. Then the next we have is tens, then hundreds. Okay, so that kind of completes a section of 3, which is sometimes why we put commas there. So skipping over to the next section is where we start our thousands, and then 10,000 and 100,000. So that's the thousand section, those 3. Then we move over to the next section, which would start at million. So we would continue the pattern, 10 million, 100 million. Then the next section would be billion, and then following would be 10 billion, 100 billion. So after the decimal is your partial, so tenths. Okay, so you'll notice a couple things. It skips the ones, there's no ones spot. And the other thing is now the language. This was tens, and this is tenths. So followed by hundredths and thousandths. So it follows the same pattern going up, except for the skipping ones and understanding that there's the ending th on the end. So when we round here, we identify the position. So tenth is the 3, and then we look after it, and the rule is if it's 5 or more, we go up. So do we stay at the 3 or do we move up? So the rule would be stay at the 3. You never go down. Nearest whole, so that's right there. So looking after it, does that make us stay or move up? And that would make us move up. So 46. The nearest tens, so identifying the tens is in the 9 spot. So I look after it. So again, if it's 5 or more, we have to go up. And this is, in fact, a move up. So moving up from 9 is 10. So if we have to move up 10, we actually have to go into that spot. Okay, so we don't want this one anymore. So 500. Okay, so it'd be like 490, and then moving up. So moving up to a spot. Okay, and then 1,000. So identify the 1,000 position. I look after it. So I say, do I stay or up? And the rule would be to stay.